Welcome to iFist Media. This is the lecture series on Quantitative Aptitude. In this class, we are going to learn pipes and cisterns. We are going to solve some problems of pipes and cisterns. So, some important facts and formula in pipes and cisterns. You have two concepts like inlet and outlet. What is an inlet? A pipe that is connected with a tank or a cistern or a reservoir that fills the tank or cistern is called inlet. A pipe that is connected with a tank or a cistern or a reservoir that is empties it, right? The pipe that empties it is called outlet. The pipe that fills the tank is called inlet. Let us see some formulas in pipes and cisterns. If a pipe can fill a tank in X number of hours, the part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. Part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X. If a pipe can empty a full tank in Y number of hours, then part emptied in 1 hour is also 1 by Y. Whenever we talk about emptying the tank, we take the negative sign, right? When you are combining both filling and emptying into a single expression, we take positive for filling, negative for emptying the tank. If a pipe can fill a tank in X number of hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in a Y number of hours, then here see Y is greater than X. That means it takes more time to empty the tank than filling it. So that means finally when you open both the pipes, after some time definitely the tank is going to fill, because it takes less time to fill the tank, it takes more time to empty the tank. So simultaneously both the pipes are opened, definitely the tank is going to full after some time. So the part filled in 1 hour is 1 by X minus 1 by Y. So coming to this point, if a pipe can fill a tank in X number of hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y number of hours, see here X is greater than Y. That means the time taken to fill the tank is more than the time taken to empty the tank. That means it can be emptied faster than filling it, right? So then the opening both the pipes, the net part emptied in 1 hour. When are you going to use this concept? It is not used when the tank is full, when the tank is empty, right? This concept is to be used when the tank is full. When the tank is already full and you open both the taps, right? One tap is going to fill it, but another tap is emptying it. Because the tap that is emptying is working fast compared to the tap that is filling. So net part emptied, finally the tank is going to be, a cistern is going to be emptied after some time. The net part emptied in 1 hour is 1 by Y minus 1 by X. Because 1 by Y, X is greater than Y, we use 1 by Y first, 1 by Y minus 1 by X. So this much part is going to be emptied in 1 hour. Now let us see some problems on pipes and cisterns. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. Both the pipes are opened simultaneously. How much time will it take to fill the tank? So you have two taps, A and B. A fills the tank in 36 hours. B fills the tank in 45 hours. So in 1 hour, what is the part filled by A? 1 by 36. In 1 hour, part filled by B, part filled by tap B is 1 by 45. So this is just like a time and work. You take this plus add, what you will get is A plus B, both taps together can fill 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45 part of the tank in 1 hour. So it is, which is 1 by 9 into 9 by 20, 9 gone, it is 20. So A plus B together can fill 1 by 20 part of the tank in 1 hour, right? So just like time and work, it takes 20 hours you take the reciprocal of this, right? It takes 20 hours to fill the tank, entire tank, for both the taps A and B together. ఆయన అట్లా చెప్తానే ఉంటాడు. ఈలోపు మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్, కుదిరితే లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, 2 pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a pipe empties the full tank in 20 hours. You have the tank, 2 taps or 2 pipes that are filling the tank, whereas another pipe that can empty the tank in 20 hours. This can fill in individually, it can fill in 10 hours. Independently, this can fill the tank in 12 hours, right? So if all three pipes are opened, operated simultaneously, in how much time will the tank be filled? So pipe A can fill 1/10 part of the tank in 1 hour. Pipe B can fill 1/12 part of the tank in 1 hour. Pipe C can empty 1/20 part of the tank in 1 hour. Because it is empty, we take it a negative sign. So you take A plus B minus C. It is 1/10 plus 1/12 minus 1/20. Right. So this is 60. 6 plus 5 minus 3. 8/60. 2/15. So we have to take the reciprocal of this 2/15, that is 15/2, 7.5 hours. So if you open all 3 pipes simultaneously, the tank will be filled in 7.5 hours. So coming to the third one, a cistern has 2 taps which fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. There is also a waste pipe in the cistern. So waste pipe means that empties the tank, right? So when all 3 taps or pipes are opened, the empty cistern is full in 20 minutes. So how long will the waste pipe take to empty the full cistern? So here we are given that let them be A, B, C. So A plus B minus C, 2 taps are there. A cistern has 2 taps which can fill it in 12 minutes and 15 minutes. So A and B are filling, C can empty, waste pipe is C can empty. So A plus B minus C. It is A plus B is the part filled by A in 1 minute is 1/12. Part filled by B in 1 minute is 1/15. Part emptied, that can be, see, the waste pipe can empty, it is unknown, right? That is not given, that is to be found. So there is a waste pipe in the cistern. So when all 3 are opened, what is happening? The part filled by A in 1 minute, the part filled by B in 1 minute minus the part emptied by C in 1 minute is equal to, is full in 20 minutes. So in 1 minute, 1/20 part of the tank. So you find out this, you solve this, you will get 1/12 plus 1/15 minus 1/20 equal to C. So C equal to 60 is the LCM, 5 plus 4 minus 3. 6/60, it is 1/10. So the waste pipe is actually C is going to empty the tank in 10 minutes. You take the reciprocal of this, it is 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, the waste pipe can empty the tank. An electric pump can fill a tank in 3 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it took 3.5 hours to fill the tank. If the tank is full, how much time will the leak take to empty it? Now the tank is full, it is not empty, the tank is full, right? So electric pipe can fill a tank in 3 hours, let it be A. So part filled by A in 1 hour is 1 by 3. Right? Because of a leak in the tank, because of it is a leak, let it be B. Right? Let the leak take, how much time will the leak take to empty it? Let leak, let it be B, takes X hours to empty it, empty the full tank. Right? Then because it takes X hours to empty it, it can empty 1 by X part of the, it can empty 1 by X part of the tank in 1 hour. So pipe A is filling 1 by 3 part of the tank, waste pipe is emptying 1 by X part of the tank. So net filling is 1 by 3 minus 1 by X. And how much time it is taking for the tank to fill it? 3.5 hours. So in 1 hour it takes 1 by 3.5 hours. Right? In 1 hour 1 by 3.5 part is filled. So it is 1 by 7 by 2, it is 2 by 7. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 7 is 1 by X. 1 by X is, so therefore X equal to 21 hours. So the waste pipe takes X hours to empty the tank, X equal to 21 hours. So the waste pipe is taking actually 21 hours to empty the tank. ఎవడు నొక్కితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ పగిలిపోద్దో ఆడే సబ్స్క్రైబర్. నువ్వే చెయ్యి సబ్స్క్రైబ్, నొక్కు. Coming to this problem, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 minutes and 45 minutes respectively. So part filled by A in 1 minute is 1 by 36. Part filled by B in 1 minute is 1 by 45. So what is the part filled by both A and B in 1 minute? It is 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45 by 9 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. It is 1 by 20. So part filled by both A and B in 1 minute is 1 by 20. Now a water pipe C can empty the tank in 30 minutes. So part emptied by C in 1 minute is 1 by 30. Is 1 by 30 part of the tank is emptied by C in 1 minute. Right? Now first A and B are opened. First A and B are opened. After 7 minutes C is also opened. So let us take like this 0, 7 minutes, let it be 7 minutes. So A and B opened for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes C is also opened. So from here to here A, B and C, all three are opened. Right? So how much time the tank is full? In how much time the tank is full? Here A and B can fill 1 by 20 part of the tank in 1 minute. In 1 minute A and B can fill 1 by 20 part. So but they are open for 7 minutes. So in 7 minutes A and B can fill 7 by 20 part of the tank. 7 by 20 part of the tank. So this part filled by A and B is 7 by 20. So what is the total size of the tank? Total work done is 1. Just like the total size of the tank is always taken as 1. So therefore remaining part is 1 minus part filled by A and B 7 by 20. It is 13 by 20. So the remaining part is 13 by 20. This 13 by 20 part, here it is 7 by 20 part, this is 13 by 20 part. 13 by 20 part is filled by not only A and B, but also C is also joined, right? Filled by A, B and C all together. But in 1 minute, A, B, C together, all together, they can fill how much part? Right, let us find out that first of all. So what is A, B? They are filling it, but C is actually emptying it. So you should take negative sign for C. So it is A plus B is already found to be 1 by 20 and C is 1 by 30, because in 1 minute C can fill 1 by 30 part. So this is 1 by 60, right? So A, B, C all together opened, they can fill the entire tank in 60 minutes, right? A, B, C can fill the full of the tank or cistern in 60 minutes. That means the full tank can be filled by A, B, C in 60 minutes. Now, but we don't want the full tank, entire tank, we want only 13 by 20 part of the tank. 13 by 20 part is filled by A, B, C in how much time? How many minutes? That is here to be found. Let it be X. Say, let it be X. Then what is full? Full tank is 1. So 1 is filled in 60 minutes. 13 by part is filled in how many minutes? 13 by 50 by 1 into 60. 13 by 20 by 1 into 60, it is 39 minutes. 3 times is cancelled, 3 into, this is 39 minutes. So this 13 by 20 part is filled in 39 minutes. 7 by 20 part is filled by A and B in 7 minutes. 13 by 20 part is filled by A, B, C in 39 minutes. Totally in how many minutes or how much time the tank is full, that is to be found. So it is 7 plus 39 equal to 46 minutes. So the answer is 46 minutes. So coming to the problem, 6th problem, 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 26 minutes and 32 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how much time B should be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes? The entire tank is full in 18 minutes. Right, the total capacity of the tank is 1. That is filled in 18 minutes. Right, both 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 24 and 32 minutes. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how much time B should be closed? Suppose A and B are opened for X minutes. They are kept open for X minutes. After X minutes, B should be closed. Then for the remaining time, what is the remaining time? 18 minus X minutes. For the remaining time, 18 minus X minutes, B is closed, so A alone opened. Right, A alone. A is the only tab that is going to fill the remaining part. So this part is filled in X minutes. This part is filled in 18 minus X minutes. Total part is 1. So how do you take it? Part filled by A and B in X minutes, part filled by A and B in X minutes, plus part filled by A alone in 18 minus x minutes. So this part plus this part is equal to 1. The total size of the tank is 1 capacity, right? So, but in 1 minute, so we need to find out in x minutes, right? Let us find in 1 minute first of all. So what is the part filled by both A and B in 1 minute? That is A plus B, it is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 32, 1 by 8 into, it is 7 by 8 into 12, 7 by 96. So 7 by 96 part is filled in 1 minute, by both A and B. But they are open for x minutes. So how much part is filled in x minutes? 7 by 96 part is filled in 1 minute. In x minutes, you just multiply this by x. So 7x by 96 part is filled in x minutes. Similarly, the remaining part is filled by A alone in 18 minus x minutes. But because the remaining part is filled by only A can fill 1 by 24 part in 1 minute, 1 by 24 part in 1 minute, but in 18 minus x minutes, it can fill 18 minus x into 1 by 24 part. So this part plus this part should be equal to 1. So it is 7x, take the 96 LCM plus 18 minus x into 4 equal to 1. 7x plus 4 into 18 minus 4x equal to 96. 3x equal to 96 minus 72, which is 24. X equal to 8 minutes. X equal to 8 minutes. So this is 8. So after 8 minutes, B should be closed and A should be only running, right, for this condition, right, to take total 18 minutes to fill the tank in, total tank in 18 minutes. After 8 minutes, B should be closed. Okay. So that is the end of pipes and cisterns. So please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like the video. Thank you so much.